it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, Camco clear adapter. Now, this is the one that goes onto your outlet for your black tank and gray tank. And I've got a leaky valve in there, and I'm gonna fix it. But in the meantime, when I got more time to fix it and change that valve up inside there, I'm gonna throw this on. And it's the Camco clear adapter. Now, okay, this thing fits nice and tight. I've had it on there already, just to make sure all the seals are where they gotta be and everything when you put it on, just so you don't get any leaks. And she fits tight on there, and you can see inside here that they do put a little grease in there, just so that the valve slides really good, and you can see that in there like that. Yeah, it works really good. Okay, so, and then it comes with your cap, and the cap's on this side with a safety line attached to it. So we're gonna throw it on now, and now I'm gonna put it on like this. So this valve is up and not down, okay? So when I want to open that up, I just throw this open like that, and then down it comes. And then obviously when you take this off, okay, that's what it looks inside there. So when you open that up, it's going to go like that. And what's nice is you can see what's in the line already, which is really cool. All in all, I think it's going to work really good, and we'll go from there. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.